Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. In the last video, I just tried to convert these things, whatever prototype we discuss in our second video of this playlist, under coding format. I explored this notebook, collab notebook, and I did all the sort of things, whatever is mentioned here in this diagram, right? So everything has been discussed in this notebook. Now, in today video, sorry, in today video, the agenda is to develop a full-fledged end-to-end application with it. This is just a research we did it. Now we are going to convert these things as an application, and we'll use some kind of UI as well so that I can show you where you can pass the PDF and you can do all the sort of things, right? So without getting delay, let's start that part. So this is our full-fledged application. Again, this code will be given in the um, in the description of this video so that you guys never miss these things. Okay, so coming to the part, there is a main important file which is called this main.py and also requirement.txt. In the requirement.txt, we are going to keep all the things, all the library, necessity library or helper library you can see which is used to develop this application. So let me talk about first start with the main.py. In that main.py, I just imported all the libraries what we are going to use to uh, use for this development of this application. One is called PyPDF, Streamlit to use that UI building, and also we are going to use LangChain I already discussed in the beginning of this video, and then we are going to use the phase is Facebook AI semantic search, and LangChain OpenAI, and we are going to use the load QA chain is the chain module of the LangChain. I talked about this is the library which API which is coming from the LangChain, and then callback function. Okay, so here one thing is important. I will talk about this pickle. Pickle is just to load the binary file, or you can say model file, and we are going to use the load environment like .env import load environment to read the data from the env. Means what I'm trying to say, if you want to read data something from the env file, then we have to use the load env. And what are the things we are loading? OpenAI key or some security key like db connections, db key, all the things we are going to store these things, and we are going to use the base 64. Now what we are going to use here, we are going to use the background. Again, these things this is not a this is more about a development thing, and I just did the copy paste from somewhere that the background image, and I'm going to use this thing. And here the important thing is there, we are going to create a Streamlit application. With this we are going to make, like, you can see how the Streamlit application will be look like here, this left side section, you can see this is the um, title of this web page, and the chat with your PDF file, and these things, and this is the hyperlink. Streamlit, what is Streamlit, what is LangChain, what is OpenAI. And also, if you want to know more about me, you can hit this LinkedIn button and you can get touch it with me. And also, in the future, if you want to any kind of help or assistance or any kind of doubt with this video and playlist, feel free to reach out there, right? And we are going to, as said, this is called Streamlit library we import, and we import, like, we are going to write this all about PDF based chatbot created by Rajesh. So you can see this information is coming here. So yeah, and now this got done. So here we did it, all the things like UI part has been done. Now here the part is coming, our application, main application. So here we are going to set our header. So you can see this is chat with your PDF file, chat with your PDF file. And also I'm going to call this function file upload, Streamlit file upload is the library or API, you can say, to upload the any kind of file, either image, text, or whatever file it is, PDF file. So here we can call this library and we can pass this message, upload your PDF. You can see upload your PDF, right? So you can see this upload your PDF message is there. So that's the thing. And now what we are going to do, as soon as we will get the PDF, now we are going to call the PDF reader. I think this part we already discussed in this, right? So here also we are doing the same thing somewhere. Wait a minute. So PDF reading, yeah, you can see reader, PDF reader. We are calling this function. Same thing, PDF reader. We are calling these things. As soon as PDF will come, then we are going to call the, just we are trying to convert that notebook in the form of the application, right? And you can use the Flask as well to build a API and other sort of things. But as of now, I'm just trying to use the Streamlit and all the sort of thing. Now here here what we are trying to do, we are trying to get the all the pages, and I'm just iterating over the image pages, and we are trying to extract the text, and we are going to store concatenating onto this string. So next, so whole text came here. Now we are going to use the text splitter. Okay, so here also we use the same thing. If you can go through this, can you see this character text splitter? I used here character text splitter. Also, you can use the recursive text character text splitter. This is also a kind of API where you can pass the text size, how much it is, and overlap and length we can pass, and we are going to split the data text in form of the split, and we are going to get this. And now now we are going to store the PDF with their PDF name. You can see I'm going to get the, like, you have a database, and inside of database, what we are trying to do, inside of this database, we are going to store all the data with their PDF name. So I'm going to keep these things. And what I'm trying to do, so every time if you are going to store same PDF, it is not, means like, it is not good practice to call that API. So what we can do, we can store this PDF. If the same PDF is coming, we can call this same pickle file. We are going to convert this PDF in the form of the pickle, you can see, right? And we are going to store, like this is the PDF, and this PDF I create a pickle. So next time onwards, if you have to ask the question without uploading the PDF, it will call this only, and it will not store again, call that function. So just I try to use the optimization of the code. That's what I used it. Now what we are calling here, we are going to, so here we are checking whether this PDF file what we uploaded is already exist. If it is exist, then it will call that vector. It will not do the vectorization again. So we are just reducing the cost. We are calling that vector directly from this. Can you see this? But if the file is not exist into your root directory, then it will convert that embedding, and it will you store this into the DB, and then it will create a pickle file like this. Can you see this pickle file? That pickle file will get created. Now what we are going to do, we are going to pass this, setting this text area. You can see this text area here. Ask question about the related, ask about the related to your uploaded PDF. This kind of text we are going to store. And now we are going to, any question, any query will come, that query will go, and it will go call the semantic search, and whatever answer will get match, it will do, it will pass that message at the bottom here, right? So yeah, this is all about the application. Let me show you by running how to run this streamlit run main.py. If you can hit this function, it will run that. So this application start running, and you can see pretty much good. If you can hit this link, so here you can navigate to my LinkedIn profile, and you guys can stay in touch with me over this LinkedIn. And also, if you want to get touch with the LangChain documentation, go to this link, hyperlink, and you can connect to the LangChain library as well. So also that open Streamlit, OpenAI, what is OpenAI, all the sort of things I just hyperlink. Now let me upload one PDF file here. And here I'm going to upload one PDF file. This is the PDF file. You can use any other PDF. As soon as PDF got uploaded, so see text area got enabled. So here I'm going to pass who is the author of PDF, author of this PDF. Okay. So as soon as I'll hit this, and yeah, we got the result. Wow. So the author of the PDF is this, and you can also see this is the same name is given here. And what is the, so if I can go, what WHT, what is this PDF about? What is this PDF about? So I'm just asking, 1 minute. So if I'm asking this question, then you can see this is pretty much good answer. This PDF is about the development of the Chat GPT 4, and it seems like is giving the right answer and more paraphrased answer and humanistic personalized touch that is right. So yeah, we are getting almost result. So I would request, please upload your own PDF. You try to ask whatever question you have, right? And yeah, with this video, I think this was the agenda. We just did the exploration of the research in this notebook and try to convert whatever we did it here. We try to convert by the code. So here is the code we try to convert in form of the Python file, and then just calling the like you can use the Flask API as well, or else like if you want to convert, I have to show you like end-to-end application. That's what I used, the Streamlit, and then I did it all the sort of things, right? So hope you, and also with this video means in the description you guys will get all the code, GitHub link, so from where you can download this code and you can try once. And if you guys face any problem, feel free put on the comment, or also get in touch with LinkedIn, right? So with this, I'm going to wrap it this video, and the next video, which is very much important, I'm going to give you the bonus, like without using the Chat GPT, how we can perform these things, right? So that will be more interesting. Hope so you guys will be enjoy. And that is the actual thing, right? Like we can use our own LLM, own means like own Chat GPT kind of thing, and we can do the same thing, right? So for that, stay tuned with this video playlist. And if you are new to this channel, I would request, please subscribe the channel, and hit on the like button, and hit on the bell button, so that you will never miss the update. So with this, thank you guys. Thank you. We'll catch up in the next